Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school.
Look at this.
One day, which
It is a
was
red devil
against the
fish.
rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
Look at this.
Lamb, you know.
It is a
Why
koi fish.
Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is an eel.
Yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Oh no!
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Uh-oh!
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Bye bye.